everyone, this is Dr. Brian Murphy here, and for the focus of the newsletter this month, I'm going to be discussing posture and technology and how technology can affect your musculoskeletal system. I'm going to be demonstrating a few movements that you can do. I'll also be discussing briefly ergonomics, which is the study of how repetitive tasks and work environments can affect the human body. So I'll start out by educating you a little bit. The head weighs anywhere from 10 to 12 pounds. When the head is stacked vertically over the tip of your shoulders, the head weighs 10 to 12 pounds. If you flex the neck even 15 degrees, that increases the weight of the head. It doubles the weight of your head. So from 12 pounds to roughly about 30 pounds. So that position and the rounding of our posture, which we all do because of these and because of this, that puts our lower neck in a lot of strain. It can stress ligaments and muscles. It can affect nerves. So it's really important to be aware of the cumulative effect of these prolonged positions that we find ourselves in with our iPads, our iPhones, our smartphones, and our laptops and our home computers. So a quick way to counter that forward head movement is to do what's called a chin tuck. You're going to sit up nice and tall. You're going to have your shoulders back. Head is stacked over your shoulders. You're going to be taking your index and middle finger, and you're going to be producing what's called a chin tuck. You're going to have the tongue resting on the roof of your mouth, and your teeth will be slightly apart. You can hold that position about 5 seconds. You want to imagine as if your chin is sitting on a shelf. This counteracts that forward head posture, which actually puts the upper part of your cervical spine into a position where it really stiffens the joints of the upper neck, and it also can create tightness in the muscles here, which can radiate onto the head, causing those tension type headaches. So that's a great one to do to prevent those things from happening. Another simple one that you can do during the day at your workstation is simply just doing what's called scapular retraction. It's squeezing your shoulder blades, and we're countering this movement by doing this. We're sitting up nice and tall. We're going to pull our shoulder blades down and back, stick our chest out, and make sure our head is stacked over our tip of our shoulders. Going to hold that position for 5 seconds, and then relax. Make sure you're not elevating your shoulders. Make sure you're actually dropping the shoulders down and back, and you're imagining a pencil's between your shoulder blades. You're going to squeeze that pencil between their shoulder blades. You're going to hold it for anywhere from 5 to 10 seconds. Both of these can be done 10 times. You could do them periodically throughout the workday. This is just a great way to ensure that we're not blindly just stuck doing work on our devices without some kind of break. So hopefully this was beneficial for you. I also have a piece of paper that's got a guideline for the ergonomic setup of your workstation. It might not be your desk, but it may be your computer station at home. There are certain ways that you should be sitting: the height of the computer, the position of the arms, the support of the low back, the feet position. All of that can have an effect on your musculoskeletal system. So if you're interested, you can just shoot me an email, text, phone call, stop by the office, and I can give you that resource so you can use it to check in with your position. I look forward to seeing you, and again, thank you.